Hi guys, it's John Pontius from CRMD, and we want to take a look at matching rules and duplicates today. So from here, let's take a look and see how duplicate management works in the Lightning experience. And let's switch over into Lightning. And for this example, let's look at accounts. So another area that we see quite a few duplicates coming from our accounts. And it's easy to understand because a lead is converted over into an account and a contact or an opportunity, and it creates a duplicate. So you can see in the Lightning experience that you have this section here. We found no potential duplicates of this account, and we found no potential duplicates of this account. So you can see that, but you can see that it has the same name here. Burlington Textiles Corp of America. So it should trigger that, but we need to set up similar to what we did in the classic menu, the matching rule and the duplicate rule. So let's go here to setup. And in the quick find box, let's start with matching rules. And you can see our last name there. I want to create a new rule, and I would like to base this on the account object, and click next. And the rule name I want to create is, let's do account name. And the field that I want to look at and select is account name. And the matching method, I could do company, fuzzy company names, something that looks similar, or I could do exact, and I'll just do exact again for this. I'm going to also not click this match blank fields. I'm going to leave that unchecked. And if I wanted to, I could create, I could further drill this down. So say I wanted to also make sure that the billing city is also exact. So say maybe I have a company that I would like to have multiple accounts for, and as long as the billing city is different, then that's okay. They can have multiple account records. But if the billing city is also the same, then this would also trigger this matching rule. But for this example, I'm just going to leave the account name, and I'll click save. And I want to activate this for my example, and it's the same email just letting me know when this is active, and I'll click OK. And let's go over to duplicate rules, and I would like to create a new rule, base it off of the account company name, and I'm going to bypass sharing rules and action on create. I'll allow this one, and I'll allow this as well when it's edited, but I'm going to also alert myself. And for the compare accounts with, I'm going to leave it as accounts, and the matching rule, I'm going to select this account name option that I just created. And this is where you could also drill down and only apply this rule to certain accounts. But for this example, I'm going to click save. And I would like to activate this as well. Okay. Now let's go back. And let's click on the accounts. And let's click on, we have Burlington Textiles Corp of America. And you can now see we have this view duplicates. You can now see that this rule was triggered. And you now have the option to merge with this duplicate. Now, similar to the classic experience, I want to select this record is my complete record. This was the duplicate I created. You can see that not much information I want to carry over. So I want to select all. It's going to be my master record. It's going to carry all the information from this one over. But say for some reason some representative was working this account record and it had some information, you could always select that, certain information you'd like to merge over and carry over over the other one. So if I were to select, this empty field here, it would import, and my new record would have an empty field for account number, and it would not have this option since I'm selecting this empty. But for this example, I'm going to select all of these options, all these fields on this record, click Next. Just ask me if I'm sure I want to merge these. You can't undo it, and I'll click Merge. So now, when I go to Accounts, I only have this one. I could do the same here. This needs to be merged as well. If I click on it, yep, I see that one duplicate. But that's how you go about cleaning up your database. We did the classic example, and then we did a lightning example. Again, this is inevitable. There are a lot of organizations that you have these duplicates, and for data integrity and for just overall cleanliness of your database, it is a good idea to actively make sure that you're cleaning out these duplicates. So thank you for watching, and hope you're able to take something away from this today. Thanks.